Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. After the slider episode, JKMCraveTV requested strawberry preserves. But upon reading further down the comment, I think what he meant was strawberry topping, which is what we're putting together today. If this isn't the case, JKMCraveTV, let me know and I will put together strawberry preserves for you. We start with a quart of fresh strawberries. These have been rinsed, hulled, sliced, and I'm holding back about a quarter cup in reserve. The strawberries, along with sugar, lime juice, and salt, are going into this saucepan to macerate for about 15 minutes before we put them on the flame. You can see how much juice this has created. We're going to cook these over medium heat until this starts to bubble. I'm mixing a tablespoon of cornstarch with about 3 tablespoons of water. We may not use all of this to thicken our strawberries. I also have fresh mint, vanilla, and about a tablespoon of butter. These are going in off heat. I'm letting these strawberries simmer for about 5 minutes before we add in the cornstarch mixture. I'm going to start with half of this first and see if we need to use all of it. Once this simmers and thickens, we'll turn off the heat and add in our extra flavoring. This needs to cool to room temperature at least, although I'm refrigerating mine before it gets used as a topping. It's time to give our strawberry topping a taste, and hopefully I don't make too big of a mess. Oh, let's see here. It's so warm today, everything is melting. Oh. Perfect. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.